Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is January 22nd, 2026, and we're diving into BankUnited's latest earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2025. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. BankUnited has had an interesting quarter, and I'm excited to break down the numbers and insights from their report.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. BankUnited reported a net income of $69 million for the fourth quarter of 2025, with an adjusted EPS of 94 cents. How does this compare to their performance last year?
BankUnited has shown a solid performance this quarter. The net income for the full year 2025 was $268 million, which is a 15% increase from the previous year. This growth is supported by a 6 basis point expansion in their net interest margin, which now stands at 3.06% for the quarter.
That's impressive. What factors contributed to this growth?
The growth is primarily driven by their strategic focus on expanding net interest margins and core loan growth. Additionally, they managed to increase their pre-provision net revenue by 5% from the previous quarter, which is a testament to their operational efficiency.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 85 cents for BankUnited, based on a survey of 3 analysts. The actual adjusted EPS came in at 94 cents. What does this tell us about the company's performance?
This is a significant beat, with the actual EPS exceeding expectations by 9 cents. It indicates that BankUnited is performing better than anticipated, likely due to their effective cost management and strategic initiatives that have bolstered their earnings.
How might this impact investor sentiment?
Beating EPS forecasts generally boosts investor confidence, as it suggests that the company is on a strong financial footing and capable of delivering value to shareholders. This could lead to positive market reactions and potentially drive the stock price higher.
Strategic initiatives and shareholder returns. BankUnited has announced some strategic initiatives, including an additional $200 million share repurchase program and a 2 cents increase in their quarterly dividend. What does this mean for shareholders?
These initiatives are a clear signal of BankUnited's commitment to returning value to shareholders. The share repurchase program and dividend increase reflect their strong capital position and confidence in future earnings. Additionally, their tangible book value per share has grown by 10% year over year, which is a positive indicator of the company's financial health.
And how does their capital position look?
Their Common Equity Tier 1 (C1) ratio stands at 12.3%, which is robust and provides a solid buffer against potential financial uncertainties. This strong capital position supports their ability to increase shareholder returns while maintaining financial stability.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, let's talk about BankUnited's operational efficiencies and future outlook. They reported a $485 million increase in non-interest-bearing deposits and a $769 million growth in core loans. How does this position them for the future?
These figures highlight BankUnited's strong operational performance and strategic focus on core business lines. The growth in non-interest-bearing deposits and core loans indicates a healthy demand for their banking services, which bodes well for future revenue streams. Additionally, their non-interest income increased to $30 million, driven by capital markets revenue, which diversifies their income sources.
What about their credit quality and provisions?
While they have maintained a stable loan-to-deposit ratio, they did report a provision for credit losses of $25.6 million, primarily due to increased reserves for specific commercial loans. However, their overall credit quality remains strong, with a decline in criticized and classified loans, which is a positive sign for future stability.
Key takeaways. In summary, BankUnited has delivered a strong performance in the fourth quarter of 2025 with significant growth in net income and a notable EPS beat. Their strategic initiatives, including share repurchases and dividend increases, reflect a commitment to shareholder value. John, any final thoughts?
BankUnited is well positioned for continued growth, supported by their strong capital base and operational efficiencies. Investors should keep an eye on their strategic execution and market conditions, but overall, the outlook appears positive.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on BankUnited's performance in the comments below. Until next time.